Take the ball and isolate. You've got 6 seconds. Better,
All right, this is the crucial moments going into the last 12 seconds. Yan po ang ating score. Lamang ang Ginebra ng 3 sa kanilang bola. Maayong gabi diha sa Cagayan de Oro, Governor Oscar Moreno, Provincial Board Member Loy Mogut. Maayong gabi kanin yung tanan diha sa Misamis Oriental. Labi ang inyong inasal. Uy, yung tinuguan. Askang labi. All right, 12 seconds to go. Nasa Barangay Ginebra ang bola. Lamang sila. Junti Valenzuela fires! Wala. But he gets it back! He gets it back! Mike Aguila is fouled by Kelly Williams to stop the clock at 5 seconds. Yan na masakit doon. Hindi pa nila nakuha yung rebound. Ha?
Well, so much energy was consumed by trying to trap itong Barangay Ginebra. When they finally got the shot, the one thing they forgot was to box out. Because the same guy that took the shot, siya rin nakuha nung offensive rebound.
Normally, yung kanyang mga long shot, pag hindi pumasok yan, malamang babalik talaga sa iyo. And Mark Aguila has 2 more shots from the free throw line. Greg Hamblin makes the first free throw. Smooth na smooth. Ayun, Ano ito? Kamag-anak ba ito, ha? Research nga natin dyan. 2 for 2. Smooth na smooth nga. Mark Aguila. Parang inatikman kong GSM Premium. Way, a 3-point shot by Ryan Reyes. Only 2/10 of a second to go. And Barangay Ginebra comes from behind. Si Lee Benson ba may iniinda? Lee Benson parang may iniinda eh. Hinatid pa siya ni Chris Alexander. Sa bench, He's okay. Looks okay. Siguro medyo frustrated lang, sa nangyari. Dahil sa, well,